you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, make sure you subscribe. We are slowly building our way to 10,000 subscribers, and I would love to hit that in 2021. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. It would make my entire year. I was sat down going through some of my old videos the other day. I was looking at videos that I used to film, videos that I film now, just kind of getting an overall idea of what I used to do on my channel, and I realised I haven't filmed a LUSH Empties video in literally years, and I've been finishing up quite a few products recently, and I thought, you know what, now's the perfect time. I need to do a LUSH Empties video, bring back the old videos, so yes. That is what I'm going to be doing today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't finished loads and loads and loads. I think I finished about 6 things, so it's like a reasonable amount, but let me know down below what you finished recently, if there's anything that you would recommend for me that I maybe haven't tried yet, and that kind of thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first thing I finished recently is some of the Sleepy shower gel. Now this shower gel, so good. So good. If you don't know what Sleepy is, essentially it is a very similar, if not the same scent as Twilight. So it's lavender, vanilla, and it's just so lovely. Ingredients wise in this one, like I said, you've got the lavender, you've got the vanilla, you've got ylang ylang oil, you've got oat milk, you have got tonka, which I believe is what gives it that vanilla-y scent. So it's just, oh, it's just amazing, and I cannot praise Twilight enough, like the scent family. I cannot praise it enough because this is amazing, and annoyingly I don't think you can buy this all year round. I do think this is a limited edition Christmas product, but when I tell you this was my favourite shower gel, apart from Lord of Misrule and Plum Rain obviously, this is just so good. And I'm currently using the American Cream one, which I will be finishing really soon. But yeah, hands down, this was delicious. And if you've tried it, let me know your thoughts. And if you haven't tried it, you need to try and find this, because honestly, it was amazing. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Sticking with the same scent family, we have the Sleepy body lotion. Now if you've been watching my videos for a little while, or you've been watching my favourites videos and anything like that, you will know that I have mentioned this product hundreds of times by now, I would have to say, because I absolutely love it. I have completely scraped the barrel clean. There is literally nothing left in here, and honestly, this is delicious. I do believe that the Sleepy lotion is all year round, so if you really did want to try the shower gel, the lotion is like the next best thing, and honestly this is just so good. It's not too oily, it has got a slight oily texture, but I tend to use body lotions more so at night time anyway, because then when I'm asleep it like soaks in and stuff. I hate that kind of sticky skin with clothes feeling. I really don't like it. But honestly, this is just beautiful. It really helps you sleep as well because of all the lavender in here. It makes me sleep so well, and I can't praise it enough. As I've said, I've mentioned this in so many videos. I just love it so much. So Sleepy body lotion is definitely one that I would always repurchase. And then ingredients wise, I imagine it's very similar to the shower gel, but in this one we have almond oil, oatmeal infusion, lavender water, lavender flower infusion, jojoba oil, cocoa butter, lavender oil, ylang ylang oil, tonka absolute. So scent wise, very similar. I don't know whether this has the almond oil in it. I think this is the one that has the almond oil, this one doesn't, so maybe that makes it different, I don't really know. But this was amazing, 10 out of 10. I will always repurchase this. I am using Dream Cream at the moment. I'm just trying to get through all my stuff, but I would always repurchase this. So good, so yummy, amazing. The next item is a tiny little sample pot. Now, I had this sample ages ago, hence why it's in a sample pot, because obviously the shops have been shut for a very long time. I don't know whether this is cheating or not, because obviously it isn't a full-size product that I finished, but I do want to give you my thoughts on this item because I actually really loved it, and this is the Rump Bum Cream. Now annoyingly, they have discontinued it now, which really upsets me that I didn't buy a full-size tub of this, because this lasted ages. I think I used this maybe 6, 7, 8 times, and this is a tiny pot, so I would really recommend it if it ever comes back, and I really wish I bought some. I'm actually really annoyed at myself that I didn't buy it, but essentially it smells like Marilyn hair treatment, so it is really nostalgic to me, because if you didn't know, I used to have white blonde hair, like it was basically this colour, and I would use Marilyn weekly, so the smell of this brings back so many memories. But it's a really lovely kind of light orange colour. I don't know whether you can see from inside the pot, there is a tiny bit left, so I can kind of show you the texture. Maybe if I just like get as much off as I can, but that's the kind of consistency. It's very, very thick, very creamy, very rich, but it smells, it just smells like Marilyn hair treatment, so it just brings back so many memories, and it feels amazing. And obviously it is a bottom cream, so it is for kind of firming, tightening and that kind of thing, and I just really liked it. Regardless of whether it actually worked, I don't know, but I really, really liked this product, and I'm so upset that I can't buy it. So yeah, that is a little sample pot that I finished. I thought I would include it because I just thought I would let you guys know my thoughts on it, and I really liked it. And lastly, moving on to all of the face masks that I've used up recently. The first one is the Self-Preserving Mask of Magnanimity. Again, I have used this product for probably 5 or 6 years now at least. I love this so much, especially when I have bad skin days and things like that. This just helps so, so much. And it's essentially a mint mask. It is very abrasive and scrubby, so if you've got sensitive skin, probably not the best thing to use if I'm being completely honest, but I always get the self-preserving version simply because there is more honey in it, so I find it a lot more moisturising for my skin, and it just feels nicer on my skin, so I personally really, really prefer it. However, if you've got really, really oily skin, I would maybe use the original, but this is just my preference. I really like it. Ingredients wise, Mask of Mag has honey, kaolin, organic aduki beans, which is what is the exfoliant in this, and it's such a lovely fine exfoliant. It also has peppermint oil, vanilla absolute, and evening primrose seeds. Is that seeds? The sticker is kind of covering it, but yeah, honestly, if you've watched me for a long time, again, you will know that I have raved and raved about this product so much. I couldn't tell you how many pots I've gone through. I've gone through probably at least 10, maybe more, and I don't actually have any more in my collection, and I'm really sad about it, but I am using Cup of Coffee at the moment, and I'm really enjoying that. So yeah, this is really, really nice. I would always repurchase this, and if you get problematic skin or the occasional breakout like all of us do, this is fantastic, and I cannot recommend this product enough. I really hope Lush never discontinue it, because I would be gutted, because this is amazing. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Again, I really love this, and I cannot recommend it enough. And the last two face masks are both fresh face masks. So the first one is Rosy Cheeks. Now, I have a love and hate relationship with Rosy Cheeks. I really love the fragrance. I really love the way it makes my skin feel when I touch it. However, it is quite tightening and firming, I find, so it is a bit, I don't know, I feel like I have to put quite a lot of moisturiser on after I use it just to get a bit of moisture back into my skin. Scent wise, this smells like the rose argan, rose jam kind of scent. There was a soap for, was it Valentine's Day a few years ago, and it was in the shape of a heart and a rose. Do you remember that soap? I can't remember what it was called now, but that has the same scent. So it's a really sweet rose argany, vanilla-y, rosy smell. Worst description ever. Ingredients wise, this one has kaolin, fresh rose petal infusion, calamine powder, rose clay, rose oil, and that is basically it. And it just smells beautiful, and essentially it is good for people who get rosacea, so rosy cheeks or rosy areas on the face or the body. This is what this was made for, but I really do like it. I just wish it had a bit more moisture to it, but yeah, that's just my personal preference. I do like it. I have repurchased it many a time, so that definitely doesn't put me off, but I do just wish it was a little bit more moisturising for my skin. And lastly is the Catastrophe Cosmetic Fresh Face Mask. Now, this face mask I have used for years. Again, I have really just got so many memories with this face mask. I used to use it when I was at university, so the scent just brings back so many memories, and I absolutely love the way this makes my skin feel. It's a very, what's the word? It's softening, it's got blueberries in it, it's so beautiful, the scent is unbelievable, and it does kind of crumble off the skin when it's dry, so I do tend to use these when I'm in the bath so that it doesn't go everywhere, but I really, really love this so much. Ingredients wise in this one, you have got Irish Moss Gel, Blueberries Almond Oil, Rose Absolute, Chamomile Blue Oil, Sweet Wild Orange Oil. So it is a beautifully scented face mask, but it just does wonders for my skin. I have never found a face mask, especially a fresh one, that I love more than this, I don't think. I've just repurchased this so many times. I couldn't tell you how many I've used. Probably a similar amount to the Mask of Mag in terms of how many pots I've bought. I just really love it, and it just smells amazing, makes my skin feel amazing, and I feel like I can't praise it enough. So that is this one. Again, loved it and would definitely repurchase 100%. So those are all of my current Lush empties. I know I didn't have overly loads to share, but I do want to kind of go through these in a reasonable amount of detail, so I didn't want to have too much for it to be like an hour-long video, if that makes sense. But let me know down below if you would like to see another one of these. I've got a few more products I am close to finishing, so give it a few more months and I might do another. If you'd like to see it, let me know down below. Also, a few years ago I did the subscribers do my Lush haul video, and I am so tempted to do that again in the next few months, so let me know down below if that's something you'd like to see. And also follow me on Instagram, because that is where I'll be asking for your guys' input on what I should buy if I do that video. So yeah, make sure you do that, and also comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see it. But that is everything. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!